Okay, I had a wild hair this morning, and I decided to take apart this Centrex by Pioneer 8-track player and see what's wrong with it. And it had the same problem a lot of 8-track players do. And this little plastic carrier holds the head in. This is the tape head here. And it had cracked over on this one side, so the tape had kind of fallen out and was dangling around in here. So I took a zip tie and I applied some super glue, and I made like a support fastener that kind of hook around the outside, and I super glued this all back together. And let's see what it sounds like. So we are going to play the Cars, the first Cars album. I think it came out about 1978, 79. And let's see what we get. Okay, well, this one actually sounds pretty good. All right, what's next over here? We're gonna play Deep Purple Machine Head. There we go. This one here, I guarantee you, the fact that it has oxidation still on the tape, it's amazing. All right, here we go. Oh, it's the beginning of Lazy. I think I'll play this one out. Thanks for watching. Here's our test. We have the first Cars. first Cars. We have the first Cars album on 8-track. What do we got? Oh yeah, baby.
With this way blue eye.